Hello guys, good morning. Today is Sunday. I received some emails about a lot of beginners. They trade, and I asked always my subscribers or my viewers, anyone, if you have a problem in your trading, just ask a question in the comment section or send me a private message and I will try to answer it. So one of the guys sent me, he say, okay, I have $10,000. In 2 days, I lost, in 2 days, I lost $2,000. Okay. What does it mean you lose $2,000 from $10,000? You mean you lost 20% of your money. Do you understand that? 20% is too much. For me, if I put a trade with $100,000, I don't allow 1,000 or maybe 1,500 or 2,000. It's too much to lose that much money in one trade. And how can you lose 20% of your money? That means one thing is that you don't put stop loss. You don't plan for the trade. How can you begin? How can you be a professional trader if you don't plan your trade? You want to buy a stock, okay? You should plan how many shares you want to buy. Where's your stop loss? If the market is against you, what is the point? You should get out from this stock because it's killing you. It's taking your money. Okay? And the guy told me, when should I exit? When? You should exit before. $10,000. If you lose $200, $100, $200, $500, 5% is too much. It's too much to lose that much money. So what are you doing? What trading are you doing? Who teach you to trade? Okay? So another guy told me, oh, you are beating me up and you are cursing on me and you say ba 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 ba. What can I do? I'm trying to teach you what you should do. Okay? Now you should listen, open your mind, do what I ask you. Okay? You want to buy a stock? See how much you can lose in this. 1%, 2%, 3%. That's it. So why you go to lose 20% in your trade? 20% is $2,000 from 10,000. It's too much money. Okay? And try to compare what you do with what I do. If I enter, I just repeat again. If I enter a trade with 100K, it means 100,000 a trade. I enter this trade. I couldn't lose 2,000. 2,000 is too much for me. 2% is too much. I will not give $2,000 in 1 day or two to some other guys who are shorting the stock. No. I put my stop loss and I exit. Even if the stock is volatile. Okay, if the stock is volatile, it means it goes up very quick. It goes up. The low of the day is too low, and the high is too low. These stocks are volatile, so you shouldn't buy too much of these stocks. They are volatile. They are very, very risky. Okay, so my video is just to show you that you should plan before you do a trade. Okay, if you lost too much money and you know it because you see 10% or 20% in a trade is too much money. I don't know what will happen, but if it was me, I just exit the trade. Okay, because it has passed my stop loss. Okay, that's why a lot of beginners. This is what I say always. They don't think that stop loss is something that they can use, and all the professionals use the stop loss, and you don't want to use it. Okay, stay as a beginner as you like. If you don't want to change the way you trade, you will be losing too much money each time, until you have nothing in your account. And whenever you have nothing, and you can't do nothing, and then you begin to blame the market, you blame short sellers, you begin to give excuses to yourself, you blame the unemployment numbers, you blame the government, you blame an aircraft that has fallen in Japan or in Russia, or you try to complain like this and whine always, and finding excuses to yourself. Or instead of looking at yourself, at your trades, what have you done? You have done something wrong. So you stop your trading, try to fix this. If you don't want to fix it, you will lose more money. Okay? Try to take these feelings from your trade. Take them. Okay? The stock is not a woman that you should love and you should commit and you should stay with her all your life. Okay? A stock is just a thing. You shouldn't have feelings for the stock. Okay? Even if you make money, don't laugh too much, because you just take your money from your profit from the stock, change the stock and have another stock. That's it. It's just date a stock always, because it is not a human being. A stock is not. You have no feelings. You have no relations with your stock. Stock is just a trade that you do. You do a lot of trades, so it's not important. It's not important at all. A stock that doesn't go up. For example, you buy $10,000. You buy a stock that it is $100. Okay, this is what happened. Let's give you an example. This guy who bought $10,000 a stock. Let's say he bought 100 shares of $100. This is the stock. Now, if the following days this stock from 100 it goes to 98, 97, 95, you don't sell. What are you waiting for? This is like when you say 97, 98, 97, it's 2%, 3%. 95%, $95, it is 5%. What are you waiting for to get rid of it and to get out? What are you waiting for? You wait until $90. This is 10%. 85, 80. From 100, it goes to 80. Maybe there is a big sell-off of this stock. Those mutual fund who sold the stock, they will never buy it for many years. Maybe 20 years, they will never buy it again. So, who will buy your stock? You get stuck with it. Okay? It means you have something with no value. I mean, say no value, but less value than you bought it. And you, if you are doing a business, okay? Let's say you want to buy a new car. You buy a new car. Let's say you have money, and this car is nice, $50,000. You buy it from the dealer. It's nice. It's new. It's the papers, no mileage. It's just a new car. But when you bought it, one day or two or three, you don't like it, or your kids don't like it, or your wife doesn't like it, or wherever, and you don't feel well, and you want to sell it. How much would you sell it? Do you sell it with the same price as the dealer has given you? Never. You will sell it with less, and each day you stay with the car, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, it will become less and less and less and less, because you are holding loser. This example I give you, if you understand, like just cars and something, because cars are near what we see than stocks, it's the same as a stock. Okay? When you bought the stock, it's new. Except when it is rare, a car or something, and you want to sell it for more. So the people, they belittle what you have. Why? Because it becomes old and becomes, you use it. It's called used car. It's used. That's why when you have the stock, it is used. If it doesn't go up. Okay? It's like bidding. Okay, it's like bidding. When you bid and the other bid and the other bid. This is when the car or when your stock is going up and up and up and up and up. So here is the deal. When you want to buy a stock, okay, whatever is strategy, I'm not speaking here, you tell me, oh, strategy, good strategy, bad strategy. I'm not speaking about strategy. I'm speaking about trading, raw trading, without anything. Whatever is the reason to buy a stock. Okay, I have a reason, the other guy has a reason. For example, we buy the same stock. I have a reason, a technical reason. It has nothing to do with the company fundamentals and news. Okay, I'm not. I do technical. I see a stock, it gives me a signal to buy it, I buy it. Now you do the same. For me, I'm a professional trader. I want to protect myself. I don't care about this company or this stock and what they say in the news, because I don't see the news, I don't see whatever they say about it. I don't care. I don't see someone, analyst, who say to me, oh, buy this stock, or this company because it is good, and the earnings are good, and this is good, and this is good, and last year to this year, it has gone 200%. The stock was 10%, now is $10, now is $20 or $30, or I don't know. So last year the stock was going so high and the company is very good. I don't follow these guys. I don't follow what they say. I choose my stock according to what I see is good. Okay, you buy the stock, whatever reason you want. But what is the difference between me and you? So I am a professional trader, you are not. What's the difference? Now when I buy a stock, I plan for it. I say this is stock. If I buy today, if the following days it goes up, okay, I'm staying. There is some money here. But the next day, if it goes down $1 or $2, it's a warning. Do you know what's a warning? It's a warning. It's a red flag. It's a red light. Okay? Red light, it means the stock becomes dangerous to you, because you see on your platform, on your broker, you see a red number. Okay? Do you know a red number? It's a warning to you. They say, they begin to take your money, and you can see how much money they take. $100, $200, $300. You begin to see the money that they take from your account. Now, if you do as I do, you stop loss, okay, and the price goes down and hit your stop loss, you get out. This stock is not for me. Okay, I think that the stock is going up, but I was wrong. What should I do? Okay, I exit the trade, I find another stock. I buy another stock, and it go up. It's good, very good. I cover my loss that they have in the other stock, and they will make a profit. This is how the trade is going. But you, because of your feelings, you buy a stock and you don't put stop loss. Why you don't put stop loss? Because you say, oh, it may go down, it may go up. Who tells you that it will go up, it will go down, and then it will go up? Who? This is the thing. This is why you are a beginner. This is where you struggle. That's why the basic thing in trading, I'm not speaking about investing, because investing, you can take the stop off because you will stay too long, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, or this company, you know very well that this company has really good potential, so you don't put stop loss. Okay? Now we are not speaking about investing here. We are speaking about trading. Trading is very, very easy. Okay? Excuse me for drinking this kind of coffee right now. So trading is different from investing. Trading is when you buy a stock, put stop loss. You say, if the stock goes down a little bit, I'm out. But the stock, if it goes up and you begin to make the money, don't sell as the other people do. Stay longer, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 6 days. One time, what happened to me before, I will tell you, there are something, because All my videos, I'm here. From where I'm getting my knowledge? It's from my experience. Basically from my experience. Because all what happens to me, it happens to you. Most of it. Okay? Because beginners, they think alike. They think the same. I was a beginner, I was thinking the same. Okay, I buy stock. Today, next day it goes down. I feel the pain and I begin to lose money. I say, no, I will not sell. It will go up. It will go up one day, 2 days, 1 week, 2 weeks, 1 month, 2 months. And then you lose a lot of money. 10%, 20%, 30%, 50%. And then because you're feeling the pain, and one day you decide, oh, I will sell. But you have lost all your money. 50% of your money, you have 10,000. You lose 5,000. It's too much. How can you trade in the future? You give your money for free. As I told you in the other video, when the stock is going down, it means you give a blank check to the market, and they say, and you say to him, my money is $10,000, for example. You buy stock, $10,000. You give a blank check to the market, and they say, please, this is $10,000, take whatever you want. What do you think the market will do? The market is other traders. What they do? They run and they write your check the most they can do. 5%, 10%, 50%, 100%. They want to take all your money. Some people are shorting it. Yes, it goes down, they make the money, and you are losing. So this is logical. That's why always, when I tell you trading is mathematics. Okay, they are just numbers. Okay, you buy with $100 a share, it goes to 95. What does it mean? It is a number. You lose 5%. Or in terms of money, you lose $500. This is just calculations, very, very simple calculations. Anyone who is if you ask your son or your daughter who is 4 years or 5 years, you give her this, you say, I bought something with 100, now it's 95. I lose or I win. She will tell you. So she is better than you, although she is 5 years or 6 years. Some they are like 4 years and they know all this calculation. It's just calculation. You don't need to be a PhD in mathematics in order to understand this. This is stupid. This is anyone from the street. You ask him, okay, I buy something with 100, but I check it in the market right now, it's only 80. So I lose or I win. I told you, you are a loser. Not only just you are a loser, but the trade that you do is a loser. Not you. You are not. Okay? But you are responsible for your trade. Okay? So, I'm trying just to explain to some people who send me emails, and they give me examples of what they do. And for me, I'm just giving you an example. Okay? I'm not going to give names or to give who sent me, or I give you just because this is for everyone, even for me. Okay, for everyone. It's just principles of trading, of swing trading. That's why what I'm teaching here in my channel, that's it. I'm not teaching you a dream, to dream with 1,000, 2,000 to become a millionaire. It's not my channel. You can, if you don't like my channel, you see that it's a lot of work, and it's a lot of logic here, a lot of work, a lot of math, a lot of calculations, and you should work hard, and you don't like it. Okay, go to someone else. With 1,000, 2,000, you become a millionaire in 1 year. That's it. That's very good. If for me, if I find someone who tells me 1,000 to 2,000 or 10,000, I can make $1 million. I say okay. Take my 10,000. You can get 1 million in 1 year. Give me 500 only, and take the 500 all. Take all the 500 for yourself. Take it. I just give you this. But they will tell you, oh, it's the market, no guarantee. Okay. So why some people say this? It's just because they want to sell you a dream. For me, in my channel, I am not selling you a dream. I'm selling you what? For me, I'm teaching you to become a professional trader. I don't care if you buy my book or you do my strategy or you go to my training. I don't care about this because this is my business. I do it whenever I have time. So, but in all my channel, I try to give you guidelines. If you just do what I ask you with the guidelines, you will begin to stop your losses and you will begin to see the money. You will see it, the money, if you follow. But if you follow one video and the other video you don't follow, you break the rules, it's over. Okay, you are not doing my strategy, you are doing you are doing your strategy because you changed the rules. Okay? I think I have said enough. But it's always the same thing. This stop loss is really a problem for the beginners. They can't understand that without this, you will never succeed in trading. Trading is a big game, is a money game, but it is not gambling. If you do math, you do calculations, it's not gambling. Okay? You have the ability to make money in the market if you follow certain guidelines. Okay? Now, if you just gamble, you take all your money, put it in the stock. It doesn't go up. Okay, you stay. Why you stay? Well, there is no money. And the opposite have been done. You should do an action. If the stock, here's the thing. If you buy a stock at $100, now if it goes up, it's going up each day. 101, 102, $105. You are making the money. You do nothing. Okay? You do nothing. What does it mean? It means you keep your hands off. You don't do nothing. Except when you want to stop loss, you take it up. At least you protect some profit. And when you see a nice profit, 5%, 7%, 10% of the stock, you see some money that you have, and then you sell the stock when it's going down. Now, this is let your profits run. This is the rule. Let your profits run. When the stock is going up, don't touch it until you get some good money. Now, if you bought the stock and next day it goes down, you should do an action. You shouldn't take your hands off. No, you should do an action and you stop it. Because if you don't stop it, they take your money. Okay? And the market is always right. If you can be wrong and right. Okay? But the market is always right. The market, the price that you see in each day, in your broker or online, wherever, is all the same. When you see it, that is the market and he is always right. Why he is always right? Because this is what the majority of traders have decided. A lot of traders, they buy, and if you buy like them, and it goes up, you are right, and because they are right. Now, if the majority of the traders, they short the stock, or someone big is selling, what does it mean? It means all they are going down in order to make the money, but you are going up. So they crush you. They crush you because they are more powerful. They are more powerful than you. This is the market. A market is like a democracy. Those who have more votes, it means more shares, up or down. If they are up, the stock will go up by force. If the people are selling or they are shorting, the stock will go down by force. They force it. They force it up and they force it down. That's why you see the stock many days going up, many days going down. Sometimes you see 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, the stock is going up, never go down. You get astonished. Okay? You get astonished for this. Yes, because a lot of people, they come and they buy. So you should follow these kind of trends. This is what I am teaching here. And this is my training, to follow short trends to make the money. If the stock goes down, you just exit. Because I have no feelings with this. I don't know the company. This is very funny. When I send the symbols to my subscribers, one of them asked me, why you don't put the name of the company? I say, why do you need it? What for? When I say FB, and it is It is like, let's say it is Facebook. Okay? Why should I say Facebook? I have no time. I am doing my business. I am searching for good stocks. I have no time to see FB is Facebook or another stock. Okay? I don't have time, and I don't need it. Why I need it for? If I say Facebook, does it mean that I buy it because it's Facebook or Twitter or Coca-Cola or I don't know? Does it? Because it's a good company, or Google is a good company, I buy it, or Apple. No, I will not buy because of the company. This is my strategy. I don't buy. I buy only the ticker, because I change my stocks regularly. Each day, each 2 days, each week, each 2 weeks, depending on the stocks. If they are going up, I let them going up. I make my money. If they go down, I replace them. That's it. And I go the whole year the same this. I search, I buy, I sell, I buy, I sell, I buy, I sell. At the end of the year, I have my my percentage, and this is how I make the money. That's it. Okay? Another thing that I want to talk about because of this, you should never buy all your money in one stock. You should never do that. This is a problem. You have a problem of money management and risk management. Okay? So what you should do, you should always divide your money into mini parts. Okay? Mini parts. Let's say you have $10,000. You can divide them into 2 or 3 or 5 positions. And each time you buy only with the small. But you see like this, you say, oh, $2,000, I buy this. Even if I can make money, I can make $100 or $200, it's not enough. I should buy with all my money. But this is a risk. You are making so much risk into your account. That's why your account go down very quick and you stop trading. Okay? So I hope this lesson, what I say here is fruitful for some people who want to learn. Those who don't want to learn and they keep doing what they are doing, they buy a stock, they don't put stop loss, they stay like this, do the same thing, do the same thing, do the same thing until they lose their account. Okay, I have done my job and I have explained as much as I can, and that's why trading is up to you. It's up to you to change the stages from beginners to intermediate to professional trader or advanced trader. So it's up to you. When you correct your mistakes, you change, you open your mind, you will see that the money is coming to you easily. But if you stay where you are and you do a lot of mistakes and you don't correct them, you will see that your money is going easily. The market is always taking your money, and you don't know what's happening. Why do other people, they make money and I lose money? Yes, because you do mistakes and you don't want to correct them because you are stubborn, or you don't want to learn, or you think you know a lot about the market, about the company, you know a lot. Now, theoretical knowledge is good, but it's not helpful in trading. Okay, it's not that much helpful. Even if you are PhD in economics, you can lose in the stock market. Why? It's not because what you learned, what you have learned is about the economy, but trading has a part of feelings that goes through your trading. That's why you make mistakes. That's why you don't know what's going on. You think that always you think about companies, but this stock market is a game. It is not as you might think that companies and earnings and okay, I'll give you an example. Let's say the stock was $100 and next year it is $50. It's just an example. Okay, I ask you this question to know that it is a game. For the CEO of the company and for the people who work for this company, do they get the same salary, the same hourly rate? I told you. You say yes. Okay? Why they don't cut from their money because the stock has gone down and their company has shrinked to half? Okay? The company company has lost a lot of money, but you see the CEO is getting his money. He's good. The people who work for this company, they get money. You see the difference? So the people are working and they are getting money, but you invest in this company, you put your money, and you lost 50% of your money. The stock was 100, now it's 50. So you are not equal with these guys, because you are not getting guarantee money. If you say to a company, okay, each year you should give me money regardless of the price of the company, I should always get more than what I invested. They will never accept. Who will accept this? No one will accept. Okay? Even a mutual fund, an ETF, if you ask them, I will give you money each month, and you guarantee that my money doesn't go down, they will never guarantee this. Never. No one guarantee in the market. Even if you want to have a loan, if you said to them, I'm going to stock market and give me $100,000 or $200,000 to begin trading, to do business, they will never give you the money, because it's hard to make the money in the market if you are not professional trader. Okay? When you are a beginner, you can lose everything, and the bank will not give you that kind of money, and you don't know how to trade, and you don't know how to do business, because business is to make money, not to lose money. Okay, this is 31 minutes. We are going to 32. I will stop here. Please, if you have any other questions regarding to this, or you have a problem, just write back here on the comment section, or send me a private message, and I will try to help you out. Although I am not paid, I'm just going to help a lot of people, and as I do always, just to show you that there are two ways. There is one way to make money, there is one way to lose money. If you, in your account, you are losing money, you are in the way of to losing money. In order to change the direction, you should change by yourself. That's why we say, God help those who help themselves. You should help yourself and change. This is called adaptation. I have given a lot of examples. When it is hot, you go to the sea and you want to swim. It's very hot, so you take all your clothes, okay, and you go to swim. Now when it is winter and it's very cold, and you are inside your apartment or inside your house, and you want to go out, you know that it is cold and you should protect yourself. Okay? So you protect yourself, you put a lot of jackets, a lot of socks, a lot of pants, okay? And you get out. Why? In order to be protected. You adapt yourself. Now in trading, you don't want to adapt. It's the same thing. Adaptation is the same thing. When you see you are losing money, you adapt, you exit. This is adaptation. When there is money coming, you open your hands and you stay. Have a coffee like this. The stock is going down each day. 1%, 2%, 3% is going up, is going up, is going up. Why I rush and take my money right now and I leave money on the table? Okay? I shouldn't. So I should wait until I get enough money as I predicted. You can't know exactly, is it 5%, 10%, 20%, or 100%? You don't know. So you wait until you feel comfortable to take your profit, and then you take your profit. Okay? Thank you very much. As always, comment, send me a private message, subscribe if you haven't before, and good luck. Thank you.